Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Math. Today we are going to find the value of this expression without using any calculator. Let us consider A is equal to 21 and B is equal to 23. Now A plus B is equal to 44. Now let us rewrite this equation as 44 is equal to A plus B. Hence, we can write it as A plus B whole cube plus 21 is A. So, we can write it as A cube divided by 44 is A plus B whole cube plus 23 is B plus B cube. We know a formula x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y whole multiply with x square minus xy plus y square. Applying this formula here, we can write this equation as x plus y, that is a plus b plus a whole multiply with x square, that is a plus b whole square minus xy, that is a plus b into a plus y square, that is a square, whole divided by x plus y, that is a plus b plus b whole multiply with x square, that is a plus b whole square minus x into y, that is a plus b into b plus y square, that is b square. Now let us solve this equation as a plus a is 2a plus b multiply with a plus b whole square minus a into a, that is a square, minus a into b, that is minus ab, plus a square whole divided by a plus 2b multiply with a plus b whole square minus a into b, that is ab, minus b into b, that is minus b square plus b square. Now we can see this minus a square plus a square will cancel out. Here minus b square and plus b square will cancel out. Now again we can write this equation as 2a plus b multiply with a plus b whole square minus ab whole divided by a plus 2b multiply with a plus b whole square minus ab. As in the numerator and the denominator both the expressions are same, then we can cancel these two. Then the answer is 2a plus b divided by a plus 2b. We have considered the value of a as 21 and the value of b is 23. Let us replace the value of a and value of b here. So we can write this as 2 into value of a is 21 plus value of b is 23 divided by a is 21 plus value of b is 23, that is 2 into 23. Now we can write 2 into 21 is 42 plus 23 divided by 21 plus 46 is equal to 65 divided by 67. Hence, this is the answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.